Welcome to my YouTube channel. Here we have 5 plus 2 times 4 raised to the power of 2 divided by 4. We first of all solve our exponent, which is 4 raised to the power of 2. 4 times 4 will give us 16. Then we'll bring down 5 plus 2 times 16 divided by 4. So 5 plus 2 will give us 7. 7 times 16 divided by 4. 7 times 16 will give us 112 divided by 4. 112 divided by 4 will give us 28. And what if I say 28 is the wrong answer to this expression? Because we did not follow the order of operation, which is PEMDAS. In PEMDAS, we have the parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Remember, multiplication and division have equal priorities, such as addition and subtraction working from our left to our right, in order to have a very good answer. So let's dive into the right answer to this question. So we first of all solve our exponent, which is 4 raised to the power of 2. So 4 times 4 will give us 16. Then we'll bring down our 5 plus 2 times 16 divided by 4. So in this expression, we have an addition, multiplication, and division. So first of all solve our multiplication, because multiplication and division have equal priorities. So we work from our left to our right. 2 times 16 will give us 32. Then we'll bring down 5 plus 32 divided by 4. So 32 divided by 4 will give us 8. Then we'll bring down 5 plus 8. 5 plus 8 will give us 13. So 13 is the right answer to this expression. I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.